I'm showing you how can we adjust ChatGPT for Excel. So first, what you have to do, go to the insert bar, go to the home button, and I have already downloaded it from Google, that is add-ins. Add-ins, click, then select GPT. GPT for Excel, yes. Then add-ins, Excel Word they have, and they have Excel Word, Twisted AI Excel. The Twisted Cells AI for Excel. How to use? You can see this video, you can find it out. And all function, AI function, AI asks, ask. Then it's a more example. You can read that you have 297 AI calls because it's a free trial. If you want to purchase, you can see everything, every calls.